Hey, this will be a video chart on NTEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a few times now. I believe the last time we did it was after this day here, gapped up, pulled back, and then more importantly put in higher highs, and now is putting in new highs. And although it couldn't quite close up towards where it was at the high of today, overall chart still looking good. And really the key thing that caught my eye as soon as I pulled it up was where these lows are. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's first draw this low here, and this low is based off the big explosion move here. So that was at 0.0201. We'll just call it 0.02. So 0.02, and that's going to be one of our levels of support. And then it made another big move all the way up here. So another new high, but then on this pullback, it only went as low as 0.011. So wait a second, what was this low? 0.01, excuse me. So I was looking at the high of this candle, not the low. So 0.01, and then here another high. That's or another higher low. So that's important to see. Now it's made another big moves up, and now we look where these lows are, all the way up here. So although that might not seem like the most significant thing or most exciting thing, and this one's at 0.017 by the way, it's important because it shows that higher bases are being built and people have to up their bids to get shares. On level twos, people were able to sit on the bid side of things down here around a penny, but now if they want to get any shares, they've had to bump those bids all the way up to 0.017 and above. So that's the name of the game. That's what you want. You want to make bidders have to up their bids on level 2, and that's just going to keep pushing the price upwards. And another case in point, you can see here, bidders used to be able to sit on the bid and get shares down in the 005, 004 region. That'd be a dream at this point. So as long as that continues to happen, as long as those bidders have to keep upping those bids, which is represented by these higher lows, that's the name of the game, and that's where all the uptrends come from. Now, in terms of resistance levels, pretty bold one right here. This is the 200-day simple moving average. If you're not familiar with charting, there's two moving averages that I call the Godfather moving averages that pretty much everybody pays attention to, and the 200 is kind of the king of the hill. That's up here at 0.026. The good news is intraday, the price was obviously able to break above there, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was. So because the price closed below it, it is still technically resistant. So nice that it was able to show the strength to get through it. Now the next step is just simply getting some closes up above that 0.026 region. And then after 0.026, obviously just right up here where the profit taker stepped in today, up at 0.0283. So that'll be the next level of resistance. But really, as far as I'm concerned, the key level of resistance is that yellow line, and more importantly, just starting to get some closes up above there. But all in all, the chart's putting in higher lows and higher highs, and that's the definition of an uptrend, so that's what you want to see. So overall, good looking chart. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the newsletter up there, and as you'll see, when you do sign up, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about charting and how to apply it to your trading strategies, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there below the social media. Over 8.5 hours of education. Been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check that out and give it a try. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening. Have a good one.